Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and helpful guide, I'll show you how to clear the YouTube cache on your phone. Over time, apps like YouTube store temporary files called cache to help videos load faster. However, too much cached data can take up storage space and sometimes cause the app to run slowly or glitch. Clearing the cache is a simple way to improve performance and free up a little storage on your device. Open the settings page. The settings menu is where you can control and manage most features of your device, such as apps, notifications, storage, display settings, and other system options. Next, scroll down and see the Apps or Applications option and tap on it. This section shows a full list of all apps installed on your phone, including system apps and the apps you downloaded from the Google Play Store. After opening the apps list, scroll down and look for the YouTube app. Tap on it to open the app info page. This page contains useful information about the app, such as storage usage, permissions, data usage, and more. Now tap on the storage option. Here you will see details about how much storage the YouTube app is using, including both data and cached files. To remove the temporary files, tap on Clear Cache. This will instantly delete the cached files without affecting your account, settings, or downloaded videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tips.